Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS News for Friday, April 22. The final report from an investigation into contaminated gas discovered at several service stations last year is complete and will be released soon. Minister of Energy, Science and Technology Dr. Andrew Wheatley made the disclosure during the half-yearly meeting of the Jamaica Gasoline Retailers Association on Wednesday. He commended the Petroleum Trade Reform Committee for their thoroughness in preparing the report. Based on samples of E10 90 and E10 87 fuel from service stations across the island, between December 22 and 24 last year, 17 stations were discovered to possess a contaminant known as gum and were ordered to close their pumps. Dr. Wheatley said the ministry will be seeking to address the regulation, oversight and monitoring of the petroleum sector, including the granting and renewal of licenses. He says that there will be a legislative overhaul of the sector to address gaps. Government will be setting up an advisory committee to improve efficiencies in the pharmaceutical sector. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement on Tuesday as he addressed the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce JCC Meet the Minister luncheon. He said it would require partnership to identify the issues facing the sector and respond to increased efficiency in the delivery of pharmacy services.
That partnership and that approach to ensuring that our role is enhanced in terms of efficiency to help you to do your work, I believe could be greatly aided by having some sort of an advisory group that involves members of this fraternity and others to look at some of these difficulties and address these difficulties.
He said this would be done over the course of the next few weeks. In the meantime, the health minister has committed to putting measures in place to ensure members of the pharmaceutical industry face a shorter waiting time for the registration of drugs. At this week's JCC luncheon, Dr. Tufton acknowledged that the process is being manually done by limited personnel who complete up to 400 applications per year, resulting in a waiting time of several months.
I'm saying we have to fix that. That's our contribution to the delivery of good health care to the marketplace, and I'm committing to you that we're going to do something about it. The truth is that we really need to move towards digitizing the process so that the application process can be shortened substantially.
There are some 400 pharmacies in Jamaica which employ over 10,000 persons. Dr. Tufton says ensuring easier access to affordable medication is among his top priorities for the sector. And the health minister is encouraging greater use of vaccines to prevent diseases. Dr. Tufton made the call at the launch of the 14th Vaccination Week celebration in the Americas held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel on Thursday.
It's important for us, I believe, in recognizing this week, finally, to chart a course for the future that should include encouraging greater take-up, not just of the basic vaccines that we almost have universal coverage with, but also looking at new and improved ways to fight certain types of diseases which we currently do not offer within the public health system.
Vaccination Week in the Americas is being celebrated under the theme, Go for Gold, Get Vaccinated.
This remarkable initiative serves to increase public awareness and promote the benefits of vaccination while seeking to strengthen the regular immunization program in countries during the period April 23rd to 30th.
And finally, Jamaica has been named the top 3 island in the world by the TripAdvisor Travelers' Choice Awards. The standing also put the country at number 1 among Caribbean islands on the world's best islands list of the travel planning booking website. The award was based on the quantity and quality of reviews and ratings for hotels, restaurants, and attractions. The data was gathered over a 12-month period from destinations worldwide. Director of Tourism Paul Pennycook says the honor is undoubtedly due to the joy that travelers feel during their trips to Jamaica. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.